Hello. Okay, welcome. I'm a bit embarrassed, a little flau, because I've never done this before. Usually I work with you in class, and now you're here on my iPad. But I'm going to try to make a YouTube video, okay? Explaining your English for this week. Så jeg skal prøve å forklare litt lekse som dere skal jobbe med hjemme denne uka. And I will try to say most of the things in English, and I'll try to explain the few words that could be a bit difficult in Norwegian, so you will understand me. Jeg skal forklare de litt vanskelige ordene på norsk, så dere forstår best mulig. So, what we are going to learn about today is verbs. And I know you have been working with verbs for a few months this year, and we are going to continue today. And I think you know what verbs are, don't you? Verbs, they tell you an action. You could sing, la 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 la, or you could jump. Perhaps you write something, perhaps you eat, and perhaps you sit right now and you watch the video. There are things we can do. All of these words are verbs, okay? So, now you know what verbs are. And you perhaps you know that verbs, they change in time. It depends on if it's present time, om det nåtid, if it was in the past, om det noe som har skjedd før, or if something happens in the future. Okay? So, in English we use 3 tenses mostly. And the first one is past, present, and the future. So, if this is a timeline, right now, it is the present. Akkurat nå så det nåtid, og den tiden av verbet i engelsk kalles present. That's now. Okay. I have taken away the past, fortid. I have taken away the future. Because today we are going to talk about present. Right now, what we're doing now, okay? And the time present can be divided in 2 different kind of verbs. So pay attention now. We have present simple. Simple. Perhaps I have to say that I work. I work at a school. Every day I work at a school. Okay? So I work. And I know a lot of teachers that work. And perhaps I could say, May-Britt, you work at the same school as I do. You work. But if I was going to say, she works, I have to add an S at the end. Okay, so see, she works. The same if I'm talking about a he. Perhaps Torstein, he works at this school. if I have a dog, you know Charm? He's working here. You know that? We can call him it. The dog is called a it. Den på norsk. På engelsk blir det it. It works. Whoops. Works. So, when we're talking about he, she, or it, we say, we add an S. And if it's plural, hvis det flertall, hvis vi snakker om flere, ikke bare en, da kan vi si you, all of you. You work here. You're students. So you work. Don't mind an S here. We're not going to use the S here, okay? And if I say they, it's the same. It's plural. Det flertall. Da legger vi ikke til en S. We. We work. It could be another word. It could be another verb. But I use this verb now, okay? And then, this is what we write when we say we do this every day. We do it sometimes. I never work here. It could be, yeah, you never do that. But when it's something we are doing right now I'm working, I'm giving you this video, then I use the ing form. And that is not called simple. It's called continuous. Continue, that means to fortsette, or fortsette something. So if you have started something, you continue to do that. And right now, I am working, I am writing, I am teaching. Okay? So the ing form, then you add an I-N-G. I-N-G. Like here. Working. I am, whoops, a bit small. I am working. And if it's you are working. He, she, it is working. Is working. You are working. They are working, and we are working. Okay? I hope you understood that. Okay. I hope you have understood the difference between simple and continuous. Håper du har skjønt forskjellen på de forskjellige tidene av verbet, og at continuous det er noe som vi holder på med akkurat nå. Something going on right now. Not what we usually do. Ikke hva vi vanligvis gjør. Your homework this Monday is in your textbooks. You are going to read and look at page 118 till 119. And there they try to explain what I have tried to explain. Okay? And after that, you're going to work in your workbooks. And you are going to do these pages. It's page 96 and 97. What you're going to do right here is that you're going to fill in with is, am, or are. The boy is swimming. I eating ice cream. You know, I am eating ice cream. So you're going to fill in the words, and they have mixed up the words, and you're going to try to make sentences. And here, this one I'm going to explain on the blackboard. Dette skal jeg forklare på tavla. Page 97, okay? You're going to look at the time. I hope you know the time. You see here, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Linda is eating. I love eating. I usually always eat. Every day, Linda eats. Watch. Because it's Linda, she, we have to add an S. Eats. So every day, Linda eats at 5 o'clock. Here you can tell the time. It's 11:45. 11:45. It's 11:45. Linda is sleeping. Hopefully I'm sleeping when it's 11:45. Every day, or almost every day, or perhaps always. Every day, Linda sleeps. Sleeps. At 11:45. So this is what you're going to do in exercise page 96. No, I'm sorry, 97. Good luck.